Good morning, students of class 12. Today we are starting the second class of the Writing Skill Builders. As you are already aware, students, that writing skills forms an important part of your English paper. It carries 30 marks. Not only from examination point of view, but also in your life, you need to hone your writing ability. And for this, you need to know certain rules also. And keep in mind these small rules when you are writing. That will help you develop accuracy and fluency in your writing. And gradually, when you practice, you will pick up the right expression, fluency and accuracy, and you will become an expert writer. So let's go ahead. First, a quick recap of the capitalization rules that we discussed. The first rule, capitalize the first word of a sentence. Like, this is the first word of the sentence. T is written with a capital letter. Then the first word is a number. Write it as a word. 3 of us worked the early shift. T is written with a capital T. Then capitalize the pronoun I or the contraction I am and the abbreviation BC or AD. Like, the group left when I asked them to go. I is a pronoun written with a capital letter. The manuscript was dated 501 AD. T, the manuscript, first word of a sentence written with capital T and AD. Capitalize the first word of a quotation. Like, what's the name of your dog? It's a question asked, so what will be written with a capital letter? W will be written with a capital letter. And do not capitalize the first word of a partial quotation. If the quotation is partial, the first word should not be written with a capital letter. Like, he called me the worst excuse for a student. It is a partial quotation, so the is not written with capital T. He called me the worst excuse for a student he had ever seen. The worst excuse for a student is a partial question. So, these rules we discussed in the previous class. We did a quick recap of these rules. Hope you will take care of these rules when you are writing. Now, we move over now to the next rule. Proper nouns part 1. Now, which category of proper nouns need to be written with a capital letter? Days of the week, like Friday, Saturday. Months, January, February. All the months will be written with a capital first letter. Holidays, Christmas, Deepavali, Holi will be written with a capital first letter. Historical events, periods, documents will be written with a capital letter. Like Civil War, Independence Day, Declaration of Independence, so on. Special events, calendar events will be written with a capital letter. The first letter will be capital. Like the Renaissance, Green River Day, or Father's Day, Mother's Day. Then the World Earth Day, which we recently celebrated on 22nd of April. Names of people and places. they will be written with capital. Like Abraham Lincoln, William Wordsworth, Shakespeare, etc. So, hope you have learnt how we need to capitalize the proper nouns. The days of the week, months, holidays, historical events, periods, documents, special events, calendar events, names of people and places. Let us have a quick practice. Now, using the rules above, choose the correctly capitalized version of each of the following pairs. The first sentence. Chaucer was one of the foremost poets of the Middle Ages. Chaucer was one of the foremost poets of the Middle Ages. Now, if you see here, the first sentence. C is written with a capital, name of a poet, fine, and the first letter of a sentence. Then, the Middle Ages. M is written with capital. Ages, A is written with a small a. If you look at the second sentence, C, Chaucer, first letter and name of a poet written with a capital C. Then middle, M is written with capital and ages also is written with capital. It is referring to period. So the second sentence is correct. You would be given a worksheet based on these rules. Thank you. Hope you will take care of all these capitalization rules in mind when you are doing your writing practice. Thank you.